Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this is Toyl, Time of Your Life. This is how it arrives in the post. And this is what it looks like inside, with a little booklet there. And I'll open it up in a little while. But if you're new to Toyl and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their February box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You'll find all links related to this subscription, plus they've given me a code which is GEEK, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your box. You'll find that down below, as well as any limited edition boxes or mystery boxes they currently have running. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life, and this box is primarily focused on women of 38 years and older. It's a beauty subscription created by Karen, who's an award-winning beauty blogger, as well as an Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life, her book. And also she has podcasts, she's got a YouTube channel, she's on social media, she has interviews with the brands featured in this box, plus she also gives you a lowdown of the products and shows you how to use them. So she wanted to create a box of beauty products that are tried and tested and loved by herself, and specifically great for women in this age range. If you subscribe, you can cancel any month, plus you can pause and skip a month as well. Towards the end of the month, around the 18th of the month, she releases what the following month's box is going to contain on her social media channels, on her Instagram and Facebook page. That's if you don't want a surprise, so you get to see the products that are going to be featured. So sometimes you might think, do you know what, no, I don't want this box this month. I do like the subscription, but I don't want the box for the following month because I've got a few, or there's products there I've tried and I don't like. Whatever the reason, you are able to get in touch with her and pause your subscription. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I miss anything out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside. Just a little bit of information about this box. I spend a lot of time researching with doctors about what are the ultimate products to have in our skincare arsenal after 40. In short, if they could only have 3 products, what would they be and why? It came down to CSA. Vitamin C, as it fights free radicals in the skin and offers glow. Sunscreen every single day to prevent sun damage, which is the #1 cause of lines, wrinkles and age spots. And vitamin A, as it is proven to reverse the depth of lines and wrinkles. These 3 types of products are the backbone of our skincare in midlife, and within this box I have 3 of the very best. Not only that, I have brands that are incredible: Somerville, Murad, Pry and Beauty Pro. These are outstanding luxury skincare products that will super boost your skin this spring. All you have to do is wait for everyone to tell you how well you look. All boxes have a minimum value of £100. I will add everything up at the end to let you know what this month's value is. Give you a little sneak peek. Okay, first up we got a product by Somerville, and this is a Derma Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Hydrogen Treatment, and there's 15 mils here from her anti-aging range. Looks like a little Dalek there. So before I squirt it, I'm going to read a little bit about it. This is full size and it retails for £23. Not only does it have a little vitamin A, it has a whole host of hyaluronic acid and oxygen to seriously hydrate the skin. This mega packed formulation is likened to Kate's world-class oxygen facial that she dishes out to her A-listers in LA, and I like to think we've brought a bit of that home to you. This is a skin booster extraordinaire. Use it well. So to use it, shake well before use to mix the ingredients up. Spray in 2 lines either side of the face, the top along the cheekbone and the other about an inch underneath that. Blend the top line up, the bottom line down and across. Use morning and night before the Beauty Pro Brightening Serum, which is in there. And Karen's top tip: instead of spraying directly onto the face, spray some Dermal Quench into the palm of your hand and gently pat onto your eyes and lip area to plump and smooth. It's a more targeted application. Okay. Oh, you might not see there. I don't want to squirt too much out because I don't want to waste it. But yeah, it's a very, very fine mist and it has no scent. And yeah, that goes into the skin really nicely, really nice and quick as well. And it leaves it quite soft. There's also a booklet, so you can have a read for more information. I love this. Next, Oh, I can't wait to try this. This is Murad. I love Murad. This is their City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and there's 50 mils here. Now I keep getting confused with this and their Age Spot Serum. I bought a bottle of it about 2 years ago. Pricey brand, but yeah, I think that Age Spot was about £70–80 and I had it on sale. But whoa, it was amazing. Amazing. It was age spot and pigmentation, so I suffer a lot in the summer months of like a mask effect on my skin, so I tend to go dark. I have like dark patches on my forehead and then underneath my eyes here, just like a mask on my eyes. But yeah, that really worked. So I'm really excited to give this a go. I am not going to open it up. I don't want the air to get in there. I'm going to save this for the summer months when I tend to wear more SPF 50. I wear SPF all the time. In the winter, I'll wear 50 or 30, but in the summertime, yeah, it's always a 50. Always 50 I gravitate for. But yeah, got a nice little bottle there. This is full size and it retails for £60. This product goes beyond just UV defense to protect against the 5 causes of accelerated aging within skin. It works against the damage of UVA and UVB light from sun, blue light from excessive screen time, 96% of pollution and infrared radiation. It is 100% mineral and absorbs quickly without leaving that ashy residue that some mineral sunscreens have. It's safe for sensitive skin, fragrance free, and isn't a chemical sunscreen. It's also a worldwide bestseller and should be worn every day, whether you're inside or out. And it says remember to double cleanse at night to remove this completely, and of course remember to use it every day to prevent skin damage. Yeah, I love that. Now on to Beauty Pro, and we've got a brightening vitamin C 10% daily serum, and we've got 30 mils here. And the skincare by Beauty Pro is new. It is new. You might be familiar with Beauty Pro sheet masks. They do a lot of really great sheet masks. Well, they've come out with a skincare range. I'm not too sure when, but I know within the last year. And this is the first time I get to try it. That's what it looks like. Okay. What can I tell you about it? This is full size and it retails for £15. This gorgeous serum is 100% plant-based and cruelty-free, but most of all, it works. Always choose a product with a minimum of 10% vitamin C, and this one also works to support the work of your Murad sunscreen, fight free radicals in your skin, strengthen your skin, helps fight age spots, stimulates collagen and fights inflammation in your skin, and that's why you need it in your skincare regime. It just says apply to skin after toning, pump the serum into your palm, 3 pumps in the morning, use your fingertips to pat on the serum into your skin and smooth an outwards motion. Karen's top tip, pat this in, don't rub it or massage it into the skin as it works better this way. Must be something to do with how quickly vitamin C breaks down, so pat. Apply moisturizer once it has absorbed. I'd only use this in the morning and let the vitamin A do the work at night, but you can use at night to repair, your choice. So yeah. And then lastly, we've got a Pry and M&S. This is from their Meno Glow range. Collagen boosting cream gel moisturizer, hydrates and soothes and plumps, and specifically designed for menopausal skin. And we've got 50 mils there. Now we've had a few products from this brand, well, from Pry and M&S, the Meno Glow range in Toyl. We've had an overnight cream, we've had a serum, maybe a spray, I can't think now. I really like the serum, the facial serum, but the overnight cream that I tried, I found it didn't really do much for my skin. But we're all different, aren't we, and what we like and what suits our skin. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really nice. Oh, it feels nice and cold. Yes, nice. Yeah, it feels gorgeous. This is a full-size product and it retails for £25. Having got you all these amazing serums, skin hydrators and brightening sprays that you're now religiously using, I want to ensure that all those ingredients are locked into your skin, and what better way than with a top quality moisturiser. This is the last of the 3 Pry products, beauty products that we have had in the box this year, and what a fabulous one it is. More than just a moisturiser, this magic multi-purpose day cream is designed to put back what menopause takes out, ramping up collagen, boosting hydration, soothing wrinkles and easing redness, all wrapped up in a feel-good gel, cool gel texture. It says, leave to sink in before topping the whole lot off with a thin layer of Murad's Skin City to protect. Karen's top tip, a thin layer is the key, and give your skin a moment after the vitamin C and dermal quench to allow the products to penetrate before popping this on top. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl beauty box. I'll just go and tot them all up and give you a bit of a recap, and I'll be back. We've got a Beauty Pro Brightening Vitamin C Serum. We've got a Murad Age Defense SPF 50. We've got a Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Liquid Lift. And lastly, we've got a Pry and M&S Meno Glow Day Cream. The cost of the box is £35 and it has a value of £123 this month. I think it's my favourite from the last few boxes that they've had. Not to say that they haven't been great, because they have, but this one I do really like it and I cannot wait. I love the fact that, as Karen always does anyway, she doesn't just put any old skincare in there. She puts them in with thought, and so that you can use them all together and things. But yeah, I love the fact that we've got the Kate Somerville, that Quench Mist spray. I love that. The vitamin C serum from Beauty Pro. Yeah, really great. And the Murad and the Pry as well. No, I think it's well thought out. Some really great products in there and I really do like it. But I'd love to hear what you think. Are you a subscriber to Toyl? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? How does it compare to previous boxes? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.